The file upload question type lets survey takers attach files to their response. The most popular file formats are supported. Let's create a new form and a title and description. Add a new question with the file upload question type and enter the question's text. Click on the copy icon to duplicate the question. The maximum number of file upload questions that you can have on a form or quiz is 4. Once you share the form with the user, he will then upload the file and submit it. Once users submit their responses, you can filter them or use the search bar to find information. Click on the file name to download a file. You can download responses in Excel, PDF, and CSV formats. You can delete responses to free up space or keep your files as long as you would like. This video demonstrated how to use the file upload feature in SurveyHeart. Subscribe to our channel to view future videos.